It is a dependence upon God and our relationship with Him. We need Him. We cannot do life without Him. And that's what Jesus models for us, a dependence upon the Father.
Your salvation is not at stake in the conversation of growing in holiness. You cannot do anything to remove the seal that has been set upon you. But when you understand the beauty of that, the only rational response is to hate sin and to love righteousness and to grow in sanctification.
The study of doctrine is a good thing. The study of doctrine is a godly thing. The study of doctrine is a necessary thing. And the study of doctrine is for every Christian, including you.